Hey my Nikki Charmers, welcome back to Tips and Tricks Tuesday. A video was requested on how to connect the garland to a backdrop, so here it is. What I use to save the job is photo backdrop clamps. You can get them in my Amazon storefront. So I just clamp it onto the backdrop and stand, then I wrap a 260 balloon around the handles, and then you just tie it like how you would normally tie a 260. And you can add the clamps into multiple spots where you see fit. I have 3 at the top and 2 at the sides. Then you will connect your garland the same way how you will connect the garland to the wall. And that's basically it. Once you connect your first part of the garland, you should have no problems connecting the rest of your masterpiece. And now I'll link all the supplies used in this video in the description box below. Here's where I tied one of the clamps on the side of the backdrop stand, and you continue to just lasso it in and connect your garland. And I decided to do a little tropical theme. Tell me how you like it in the comments. Also, when you're done, don't forget to hide your clamps behind the backdrop. And here's the final results. And if you decide to recreate this look, don't forget to send me photos on my social media platforms at BalloonBNC and give me a thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. I hope this video was very informative, and if it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, be blessed, guys. Mwah.